everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I have this plain UV LEDs gel polish set. They were so kind to send this to me. It has 21 colors and includes a matte base and a top coat. So let's go ahead and open it up. So here you can see all of the gel polish. So they are actually 5 milliliters, and the top coat slash base and matte are also 10 milliliters. These are just 5, I believe. And I'm going to show you my swatches. So these are the swatches that I'm going to go ahead and be using. As you guys can see, I already went ahead and pre-buffed them. Here is the swatch stick, so you guys can kind of see the difference between the non-buffed one. And so what I'm basically going to do is apply the matte one here and the top coat one, the shiny one, down here. I went ahead and already made some labels. Here you guys can see these are all the colors. And I'm just going to go ahead and I think I'm going to stick them right here. Something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and first just apply all of my labels to all of my swatch sticks. Then once we're done with that, I'm going to go ahead and apply all of these into the snail swatch stick. Okay everybody, so here are all the swatches. So these, the solid color ones, are mainly just one coat. I applied only one coat here. So here you guys are able to see how pigmented these gel polishes are. But I will say that for the glitter ones, which I'm going ahead and showing you guys at the moment, these I did apply 2 coats. And I also did apply matte top coat and one of them the glossy top coat, so you guys can see the difference between both. I will be showing you guys in a few minutes how these look using the matte top coat. So you guys are able to see the difference. But overall they're really pretty, and overall I love these colors. So here is where I'm going to go ahead and show you how it looks with the matte top coat. These are absolutely stunning. I do love the colors so much. I honestly am very thankful for Pine for sending me this kit. I'll be sure to leave a link down below if you guys are wanting to purchase this kit, because honestly this is a really perfect size, especially for Christmas. But overall I give this one a 8 out of 10 just because I feel like the bottles are a bit small, but I do love that they give you a lot of top coat, which is 10 milliliters or 10 milligrams. I don't even know what the pronunciation for that is, honestly. But these colors are overall really gorgeous and pretty, and they're absolutely really good colors and really pigmented, so I'm very happy with that. And yeah, anyways, this is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. I did upload this a little bit late because my mom did just have a baby, which is my little sister. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.